I'm now Lion Business Park. I think I'm not life now. So this place, boom, all the Igbos need Gabia. Other even some people work have started inside this place. This Lion Business Park, in fact, it's a very city. It's a very big city in Igbo land. One of the largest, in fact, largest market in Africa. The largest market in Africa inside this place. So let's go. The largest market in Africa, or the Enugu State. The time has come that we come back in our land to develop our land, and that is the time. So I'm in that place right now. Factories, different factories, not one, not two, not three, not four, not five. Different. Okay, just.
Different.
Make you want back. Wait, just make you want back. But I'm want back. About just. This place. Make one but very far. Make one but so after I talk this place, I go mushroom. Whatever. Ihago is a very big city. Factories, hotels, schools, land. In fact, only in the hard bank. Just video me, let them see me. So just keep it like this. On what I'm doing this place for now. Largest market in Africa or the Igbo land. So it's a time that all the Igbos will return back home to develop Anabani. So all the Igbos, the hour has come. I will go to that place right now. Video on because Magamwaba in Abba, in fact, Abba Blaze Vivo. Lion Business Park. Factories. Every department on our factories. Too much. Every Galu school, hotel. Markets, different things. In fact, hospitals. So I want you to come back home, Ndibo. In fact, I come FIFA native. Sooner, open I had na the largest market in Africa. In fact, if our phone and Ndibo gets you will bank. I want to make about which you are. I want to know which phone and Ndibo gets you bank. But now, though, some of you will go Negan. Now, Mantanalo shop. Many Igbos have started buying land in this place. So all the Igbos, you have the largest market in Africa, all the Igbo land here, and people have started work here. So come right now and take your own. Come right now and take your own. It's a very big city, all the Enugu State. So you can go that one before I got because major about the one back. Major about the one back. About very far. I cannot like all the very far. On all. They are working inside this place. Just they are working inside this place right now. So I cannot track. It's very far. So you can gather. So all the Igbos, you people should return back home. Why I'm come this place is because of this continent. That is one of the reasons in July, Biana Enugu State about today. So all the Igbos, the time has come. Come back home. Factories, many different things. Some of our brothers in outside country now, they are now building factories in this place. Different factories, different factories. Hotels here, schools here, hospitals here. Everybody can be here. If I put the largest market in Africa, different shops, the work have started. So all the Igbos, buy in Igbo land. Turn it up, yes. USA in Igbo land. London in Igbo land. Charity begin as home. So all the Igbos, wherever you are, both billionaire, all of you, let's us put hands together to make this place to move far. So let me stop here. I will go right now. I will still go and video some places because all the very far major trek in this place. So let me stop here. Make sure that you share this video. As long as Igbo, make sure you share this video. Thank you. Wait, let me cut it.